Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a small shopping haul for you. I'm trying to debate whether I leave this and not publish it and add one more item at the end, which I'm expecting tomorrow. Probably will do that so I can then put away all these items, and I've showed you everything. So first item is a Michael Stars puff sleeve top. It's just an elevated t-shirt. It has the banded cuffs. The color is navy. It's got this rounded scoop neck, 100% cotton, super soft, very expensive because it's Michael Stars. Got it from Freestyle at Stitch Fix, but you know, I like it, and it's gonna be a workhorse in my wardrobe for years to come. With it, I've showed you this skirt already, but I figured let's show it to you and how I intend to wear it. This is another skirt that I also got from Freestyle on Stitch Fix, and it is by Sanctuary. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next piece for you. Next up is this light blue sweater tank that I actually got from Express. It has the V neckline here. It's like a bluish grayish color. It's a rib style. This is extremely cropped. I sized up to a size small. The extra small look teeny tiny. This comes just to my waist and I'm just barely able to tuck it in. The material on this is 74% cotton, 20% nylon, 8% spandex. And this is kind of how I envision wearing it. White jeans, white shorts, white skirt. So yeah, I don't really have much. Light blue is my favorite color. I don't have much in the way in it. And I'm very happy to add this to my wardrobe. It retails for $48. I had a coupon, I got it for $38. And yeah, I'm happy with this top, happy that it is mostly cotton. And I think I can wear this throughout all of summer here. All right, give me a minute, I'll pop on the next piece for you. Okay, this next tank I probably would not wear with this skirt because the skirt is an off-white and this is a definite pure white. I just wouldn't wear it together, but I figured I'd show it to you. This is 100% cotton tank from Loft. It is fitting very well, as you can see under my arms. It has a higher neck. It has the white banding around here and the neck to set it apart. And this is a black and white stripe. This is a super thick, good quality tank. Highly recommend this tank. The retail price is $39.95. However, they were having their 30% off, so I paid $24.46 for this tank. Very, very pleased and impressed. They have different colors, different patterns and colors. I chose this one and a white one, which I'll show you in just a minute. Here is the back of it. Cannot recommend this tank enough. This is not the rib tank. I forgot the name of this particular tank, but there's definitely more than one type of tank there. I'll try and take it off and see if there's a name on it, and you'll definitely see it in the links below. I always put in the description box links so you can order on your own, and no, I do not get commission on it. I just do it to help you guys out. Highly recommend this tank. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the last outfit. Okay, here is the other white tank. It does, I have to say, pucker. I get a little bit of the bat wings here. Nothing horrific though. It's so rare to find a tank that is non-see-through and thick like this. So this is a winner for me. This skirt is from White House Black Market. I was actually on my list was a light wash denim skirt. I had a button fly one from Banana Republic factory from years ago, circa 2018. And the material was thinning and puckering down here. And it just didn't look good anymore. So it was time to replace it, and I couldn't believe it when I walked into the store to see that they had this. So this is exactly what I was looking for. Both tanks are from Loft. I got my usual size extra small in those tanks. I think they run true to size, not petite, but the regular extra small. The skirt is my normal size 0 from White House Black Market. It does have extra room here, but I would not size down because these are all snaps, and the last thing I need these to do is be pulling and tugging and popping on me. So I would say that this is true to size, I guess, for the style that it is. Even though there's like plenty of room in the waist and it's loose and everything, I wouldn't want to go down smaller in this. So yeah, I'm extremely pleased with these purchases. Give you links below. White House Black Market was having a spend $100 get, or sorry, $125 get 25 off, or I forget what it was. And I did try in a whole bunch of spring sweaters that I really liked. Liked them all. Some were better quality than others. The nicest quality one wasn't the most expensive, believe it or not. And I tried on a blouse too. But in the end, I said, I don't really need any of these colors. If they had a red or like a medium pink, they had like a dusty rose color, and that just looks awful on me. But like if they had a medium pink, a red, or even a light blue one, I would have picked it up. But they didn't, you know. They had navy, they had like a seafoam green. I already have a seafoam green sweater, and then they had that dusty rose that looks just pretty awful on me. And then I tried another sweater on. It was Kelly green, and it was cute, but I already have a spring Kelly green sweater, and this one seemed thin and it might stretch out. Not that I would never buy it, but I wouldn't buy it at that price point. So I decided to spend $79 full price on the skirt versus spend money on something that I really didn't really want just to save money, which would then end up costing me more money. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm trying to really only purchase things that are missing in my wardrobe so I can make complete looks. Like when I say, oh, that looks cute, I wish I had that. I want to be able to have something similar in my closet. Well, that is it for now. You might see if my package comes tomorrow. I actually have 2 packages coming this week. If it comes in tomorrow, you might see it added on here, and I'll have to see when the next package is due, and I might tack even that one on too at the end. Take care, and see you until next time. Hi everybody, it is Friday, and I've been waiting forever for this day. This is my last working day before vacation. I am so excited. My friend Shannon is flying in tomorrow, and Sunday we leave for our cruise. So, what am I wearing today? What am I up to? I did not go to the gym because we actually went out to dinner last night at the Cheesecake Factory. And I came home and I knew I wasn't going to go to the gym today. I went 3 days in a row. Today's a well-earned rest day, but I planned my week around my activities. Went to the Cheesecake, ate a lot last night, and was up the whole night. I was thirsty. I was full. My shoulders hurt from the gym. It was hot. I mean, I could not sleep. You name it, I could not sleep. Today I'm working. It's going to be a busy day ahead. I don't know why, but my boss decided to launch 2 things while I'm out. So the you-know-what is going to hit the fan when I'm not there. I kind of feel bad for my coworkers, but it is what it is. So I'm trying to prep them as to what could possibly go wrong while I'm not there. What am I wearing today? So this is a brand new sweater that I just trying on pretty much for the first time myself. I tried it on quickly the other night, but I couldn't really style it, so I wasn't sure if I like it or not. But I put on how I would style it now, and guess what? I like it. I'm keeping it. I'm gonna just wear it today. And this same footage is also gonna go in my outfit of the day. So sorry if you're seeing this again. Yes, this is my outfit of the day video as well too. Not just this is my outfit of the day, and it's also going to be what I am styling. So this sweater is from Sanctuary. I got it from Stitch Fix. True story, it was on Ever Eve's site and it was on Stitch Fix's site. I turned it down at first at Stitch Fix and didn't purchase it myself. And I saw it on Ever Eve and I liked it even more. You know, the way they styled it and everything, I don't know, there was something about it. I liked it better there. But I wasn't going to order it from Ever Eve because I would have to pay for shipping. I believe it's $100 minimum, and this isn't $100. And then I would have to worry about returning it, and it's a nightmare. Stitch Fix is a lot easier. And I wasn't quite sure if this was gonna work for me because it is a little bit oversized, and I typically don't like oversized. And of course, what happened at Stitch Fix, this disappeared and sold out. And I couldn't find it. I went, oh my God, I was an idiot. I should just gotten it. So I kept stalking the Stitch Fix Freestyle app, and it came back in and I snatched it. And I had shown my friend Shannon, I'm like, have you seen this sweater? Because she's a stylist there. She's like, add it to your wish list. She's like, I will pick it out for you if it does show up. But it came for me before my box even went to her because I postponed my box until after vacation. All right, so let me step back so you can see the sweater. It's a cardigan style. It's an open weave, so it's a crochet style with an open weave here. 100% cotton. Has the varsity preppy styling, tortoiseshell buttons. I left it open and I styled them with my Moto style black spank leggings. you know, I think this is a great little sweater to, on the spring transition day. I love the 100% cottonness of it. I like the sportiness of it, the relaxed look of it. So this is a keeper. Underneath, I just have a black tank from Loft from maybe 2 years ago. And my shoes, hopefully you can see this. I noticed the angle was off on my last video. My shoes are my Dolce Vita. They're the Zena sneaker, and they're in tan. And yes, I need black sneakers. So Shannon, if you're watching, I also put this on my list. I need black sneakers because I think this looks kind of funky together. I need something to blend right in. I don't own a pair of black sneakers. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Or if you're watching this footage in my new items that I purchased, stay tuned and you will see one more outfit after this. Hi everybody, it is Friday and I just signed off from work, put my out of office on, and I am officially on vacation. I am wrapping up my last few items, or my last item to show you that I purchased over like the last 2 weeks. It is this Steve Madden top. It is faux leather in this like bone kind of color. I have one black coated shirt that's a button down puff sleeves from White House Black Market from several years ago. That is the only faux leather top that I own. I do own a couple faux leather motos and blazers and such, but this would be the only other like leather type top. I thought it was pretty unique to my closet, like the way it fits. It's my usual size extra small. Also from Stitch Fix, I paired it with my Days denim. And hopefully you can see this. I'm pairing it with my these are Sam Edelman Mary Jane pumps. And yeah, I like this top. It's a keeper. And I'm excited to hang it in my closet. Well, thank you for hanging out with me or spending your time with me. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, why not? Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and take care. And until 2 weeks,